Belgium, a small country in Western Europe, is often overlooked for its larger neighbours. Nestled between France, Germany and the Netherlands, it might seem like a mere dot on the map. But don't let its size fool you. However, this charming nation holds a treasure trove of scenic beauty waiting to be discovered. Its landscapes are as diverse as they are enchanting, offering a rich tapestry of natural and man-made wonders. From rolling hills and lush forests to charming canals and medieval cities, Belgium offers something for everyone. The Ardennes region, with its dense forests and rolling hills, is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Meanwhile, the picturesque canals of Ghent and the cobblestone streets of Bruges transport you back in time to a medieval era. Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the most breathtaking scenery this captivating country has to offer. Imagine hiking through the serene forests of the Ardennes, where every turn reveals a new vista more stunning than the last. Or picture yourself gliding along the tranquil canals of Ghent, the reflections of historic buildings dancing on the water's surface. Prepare to be amazed by the diversity of landscapes packed into such a small area. Belgium's compact size means you can experience a wide variety of scenery in a short amount of time. One moment, you could be exploring the rugged coastline of the North Sea, and the next, wandering through the serene countryside dotted with quaint villages. Whether you're seeking adventure in nature, a romantic getaway, or a journey through history, Belgium's scenic wonders will leave you speechless. The country's well-preserved historical sites, such as the grand buildings in Brussels, offer a glimpse into its rich past, while the vibrant cities provide a modern contrast with their bustling markets and lively festivals. So, pack your bags, grab your camera, and let's explore the hidden gems of this captivating country. From the serene beauty of its natural landscapes to the architectural marvels of its cities, Belgium promises an unforgettable journey. Whether you're capturing the perfect shot of a misty morning in the Ardennes or savoring a quiet moment in a centuries-old city square, the memories you make here will last a lifetime. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life, where the constant noise and rush can be overwhelming. Leave behind the crowded streets and immerse yourself in the tranquility of the Ardennes, a place where time seems to slow down. This enchanting region, located in southeastern Belgium, is a paradise for nature enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers alike. Whether you're an avid hiker, a bird watcher, or simply someone who loves to be surrounded by nature, the Ardennes has something to offer. Imagine dense forests that stretch as far as the eye can see, rolling hills that invite you to explore their gentle slopes, and sparkling rivers that wind their way through the landscape, all waiting to be explored. Hike through the verdant trails, where every step brings you closer to nature. Breathe in the fresh, crisp air and listen to the sounds of nature, the rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the gentle flow of water. Discover hidden waterfalls cascading down rocky slopes, their cool, clear waters inviting you to pause and take in the beauty of your surroundings. Along the way, you may encounter diverse wildlife, from graceful deer to vibrant birds, each adding to the rich tapestry of life in the Ardennes. The Ardennes offer a true escape into the heart of nature, providing a sense of peace and rejuvenation. Here you can reconnect with the natural world, find solace in its beauty, and leave behind the stresses of everyday life. Whether you're seeking adventure or simply a moment of quiet reflection, the Ardennes is the perfect destination. Step back in time and wander through the charming streets of Ghent, a city where history and beauty intertwine. Located in the Flanders region of Belgium, Ghent boasts a rich medieval past, evident in its well-preserved architecture and enchanting canals. Admire the towering spires of St. Bavo Cathedral, home to the famous Ghent altarpiece. Take a leisurely boat tour along the canals, gliding past charming guildhalls and picturesque bridges. Ghent's unique blend of history, culture, and scenic beauty creates an unforgettable experience. Prepare to be enchanted by Bruges, a city often referred to as the Venice of the North. Its canals, cobblestone streets, and medieval buildings create a fairy tale-like atmosphere that will transport you back in time. Take a romantic boat ride along the canals, marvel at the intricate architecture of the Markt, Market Square, and indulge in delicious Belgian chocolate. Bruges' charm and beauty are simply irresistible, making it a must-visit destination in Belgium. Section 5. Antwerp, a city of diamonds and canals. Discover Antwerp, a vibrant city known for its diamond district, stunning architecture, and picturesque canals. Located on the banks of the Scheldt River, Antwerp has a rich history as a major port city. Explore the MAS, or Museum aan de Stroom, offering panoramic views of the city. Wander through the diamond district, where you can witness the intricate process of diamond cutting. Antwerp's unique blend of history, culture, and modern flair creates an exciting and dynamic atmosphere. Section 6. The Meuse Valley, a tapestry of nature's colors. Embark on a scenic journey through the Meuse Valley, a region characterized by dramatic limestone cliffs, winding rivers, and charming villages. The Meuse River, which flows through France and Belgium, carves its way through the landscape, creating breathtaking views. Take a leisurely cruise along the river, hike through the surrounding hills, or explore the charming villages that dot the valley. The Meuse Valley offers a peaceful escape into nature's beauty. Section 7. Dinant, a citadel above the Meuse. Discover Dinant, a picturesque town nestled along the banks of the Meuse River. Dominated by a dramatic citadel perched atop a limestone cliff, Dinant offers stunning views and a rich history. Explore the citadel, which dates back to the 11th century, and enjoy panoramic views of the town and surrounding valley. Visit the Collegiate Church of Notre Dame, known for its distinctive onion-shaped dome. Dinant's charm and scenic beauty make it a memorable stop along the Meuse River. Section 8. Beyond the Tourist Trail, exploring hidden gems. Belgium is a country known for its rich history, vibrant cities, and delicious cuisine. But beyond the well-trodden tourist paths, there lies a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be uncovered. While the aforementioned destinations offer a taste of Belgium's scenic beauty, there are countless hidden gems waiting to be discovered. These secluded spots provide a unique glimpse into the country's diverse landscapes and cultural heritage. Venture off the beaten path and explore the lesser-known regions of this captivating country. From tranquil forests to charming villages, Belgium's hidden gems promise an unforgettable experience for those willing to explore. Discover the enchanting Halabos forest, known for its carpet of bluebells in spring. This magical forest transforms into a sea of blue, attracting nature lovers and photographers from around the world. Hike along the Ninglinspo stream, a natural wonder with cascading waterfalls and pools. This picturesque trail offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, making it a perfect spot for a peaceful retreat. Explore the fairy tale-like Château de Vèvre, a medieval castle nestled in the Ardennes. With its turrets and towers, this castle looks like it has been plucked straight from a storybook, offering a glimpse into Belgium's medieval past. Belgium's hidden gems offer endless opportunities for adventure and discovery. Whether you're an avid hiker, a history enthusiast, or simply someone looking to escape the crowds, these lesser-known destinations provide a perfect blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. So, pack your bags and set out on a journey to uncover the hidden treasures of Belgium. Each visit promises a new adventure, a new story, and a deeper appreciation for this enchanting country. Section 9. Your next adventure awaits. Where to next? From the rolling hills of the Ardennes to the charming canals of Bruges, Belgium's scenic beauty is undeniable. Whether you're seeking adventure in nature, a romantic getaway, or a journey through history, this captivating country has something to offer everyone. Now we turn to you, our adventurous viewers. Where in the world would you like to explore next? Share your dream destinations in the comments below, and let's continue our journey together. Section 10. Join the journey, like, subscribe, and explore. Thank you for joining us on this scenic journey through Belgium. We hope you've been inspired to discover the hidden gems of this captivating country. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.